passport. You don't have passport. You are a fuck round. Foot go and stand there. Yeah? Go on, Nina.
Firstly, I want to give credit to Imchunu Production esenzele le video eMpumalanga eMiddelburg. This is eMpumalanga eMiddelburg. Ziyabuya eMiddelburg akulalwa bavinjiwe-ke iy'nsizwa lezi besifuna ukuyongenela indawo ibhilidi elinamazayizayi zavinjwa kwathiwa no ningawuphula umthetho sathi imashi ayinakulutha ayinakuhlala muntu bese ivuke iy'ntelezi wanted to enter ibhilidi elinamazayizayi. So Imchunu Media-ke ikhona iyona esikwazile ukuthi sithole kuyona lamavidiyo esiwavezayo njengamanje ukuthi ziyabuya eMpumalanga. Siyabonga kakhulu Imchunu Media. Thank you so much our brother. Siyazi ukuthi nibhizi nisebenza kanzima noma singakwazanga singekho eMpumalanga kodwa kufanele ukuthi nazi ukuthi sinani kuso sonke isikhathi and siyabonga kakhulu umsebenzi omuhle. Siyazi ukuthi we spend a lot of money ukuhamba ukulayina emashini ukuyolelwa izwe ulwelwa izwe lethu sonke. Siyabonga kakhulu guys. Sibonga lapho umthetho sibonga uJacinta. So la guys uphakela umthakathi akekho ukukhombisa ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngempela people are serious, people are angry. This is Middelburg. eMiddelburg abantu bakhona they did not wait for uphakela umthakathi to arrive. They did not wait for iMusic or uJacinta to arrive there. They stood up for themselves to fight for their town, to fight for their privilege. So that is what all of us ekumele ukuthi sikwenze. So baphumile-ke manje laphayana kade behlangene khona. They started to go to those places, ama-flats lawo ahleli ama-illegal immigrants because bane-information abayitholayo ukuthi laphaya kunama-illegal immigrants. So right now bakuleli flat-ke abazwile ukuthi kudayiswa iy'dakamizwa kunama-illegal immigrants benziwa yonke imikhuba le eyenzakalayo abayenzayo to destroy our country. So as sazi ukuthi you don't have to go alone if you are going to these places ezinama-illegal immigrants. You have to call the police, give them information, go with them there, show them where ama-illegal immigrants ekhona. Any unity-ke le, this is another unity nakhona they got this information ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners adayisa iy'dakamizwa khona. So as ubona-ke
baba ubani ujiyani iphoyisa wayafuna lona uyayazi angakusikanela nesizwe manje.
So lana-ke guys i-illegal immigrant lena elaphakathi bathi he is a Nigerian ithengisa izidakamizwa akafuni ukuvula. He's refusing to open the door. Uthi yena ufuna kuze uJiyane. He wants uJiyane. He will open the door only if uJiyane efika. uJiyane is a policeman. It means that policeman is his friend, maybe the one that is collecting brown envelopes from him, those criminal police. Ngoba uthi nje I will not open the door until we call uJiyane to come. That is what he is saying. Ukuthi nje angisoze ngavula. Even if this other police bamtshela ukuthi we will break the door, uthi it's better you break the door. I will not open until you call uJiyane to come here. And give me it's like an exposure ukuthi uJiyane uyena umuntu odla iy'mali zey'dakamizwa. Manje lana enye unit sebeyatholile-ke ama-illegal immigrants yiwo lana abuya koZimbabwe asebenza illegally, yiwo lawa aseyikhishwa. Uyabona-ke ukuthi umphakathi usebenza kanjani. This is how hard the community works. If police were there alone, they were not going to find all these things. Even if they know that there is illegal immigrants, even if they know that illegal immigrants in that area or in that flat, they were not going to go there. If they go there, they'll just go there and collect bribe. This shows that the community works hard. It shows that the community works harder than police in South Africa. So all these things were not going to happen if the community was not there to show them and to force them to arrest these people, to force them not to collect bribe. This is what our government doesn't want. You see, if the community was not there, you think all these things were going to happen? No. But our president is telling us that it's not our job.
Why don't go in your place? Where's the certificate for the police? Where's the certificate? Yeah? I'm not certificate. But you have passport for the fake passport. Futak, stand there. Stand there. Where's your passport? You don't have passport. You are a fuck run. Futak, go and stand there. Yeah? Go on, Yanina. Where? You don't know where you're working. Why are you running for Zimbabwe? You don't have a certificate. No, you can't do that. It's our country. You must go to Zim. Yeah, please.
But how come these people are always getting pregnant, knowing their situation and knowing their condition? How can you keep on getting pregnant, knowing that you don't even have a country? You are putting a burden to this foreign country. They know very well that they are not in their countries, but they keep on getting pregnant, putting more burden to the government that is not even theirs. They know, they see that we are complaining about them, we are complaining in our clinics, we are complaining in our hospitals about them, but each and every time they are pregnant. Why are they doing that? That is a very big problem about these people. They are selfish, they only think about themselves. You cannot tell me that you live here, you go to UK. You know very well that you are an illegal foreigner in UK, and the Abantu Base UK are complaining about you alone. Tomorrow you are pregnant, you are giving birth. Next year you are getting pregnant again, you are giving birth. And you know very well people there, they don't want you alone, and you are busy producing more problems for the country. You don't have money, you are taking jobs from the citizens of that country. All those things, instead of going to those clinics at least to get it to do family planning, instead of going there to deliver a baby each and every time. We have pills, we have injections in South Africa. They are getting all those things for free. They were supposed to be getting all those things for free, but they don't want to do that. They just want to cause more problems for South Africa. And we are expected to keep quiet, to fold our hands and say, no, because they are suffering. No, we cannot do that. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.